My name is Lentz, and I'm a urologist at Duke University. For me, the thing about medicine that I loved was that it was the perfect combination of science, of the instant gratification of helping people, and at the same time just hearing stories from my patients. I've never met someone who didn't have an interesting or unique characteristic, and I love hearing the stories from my patients, and it's even better when I can help them. When I meet patients, the first thing I try and express to them is that everything we do is a shared decision. I'm really a coach, I'm an advisor, and ultimately I'm your doctor, but I want us to make all of our decisions together. What I really love about my job is the instant gratification of fixing someone and being able to help them and fix them with a single or possibly multiple surgeries and get them back going again. It's very inspiring to me. I'm a reconstructive urologist, and reconstructive urology is really an emerging subspecialty that focuses on male sexual dysfunction, which can include male wellness and men's health issues, as well as reconstructive issues, which really focuses on restoring normal urine flow to the upper and lower urinary tracts. In addition to that, urologic trauma is something that I'm very interested in, and oftentimes I treat patients who have had bad outcomes from either previous surgeries, accidents, injuries, or potentially even patients who were born with a congenital deformity which was corrected at birth, but now they may have issues as an adult. One of the things that I really like to focus on in particular is our men's health issues and overall male wellness. Times are changing, society's changing, urology is changing, and men's health is something that has been relatively neglected over the years. And as urologists, we have an opportunity to spearhead the movement towards more comprehensive men's health. We really need to understand what a complex picture men's health is. It's not just an enlarged prostate, it's not just erectile dysfunction, it's much more than that. And that's something that I'm very passionate about.